Hi, thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings, here with a brand new Dodge 4500 with a special bed in the back. In the front, I'm going to show off some LED hideaway duo. We've got one set in green and one set in white. Went with the green in the high beam bucket and the white in the amber parking bucket. Both of these are mounted from the bottom up. Hopefully that green is showing up here in the camera for you. There you can see a little distance with them LED hideaway duos. Definitely reach out. In person, I'm seeing a very vivid green, a very vivid white. Camera's doing this no justice. Let's get a closer look. Now you can probably see the green. And closer still. What you're having trouble seeing there because of the blinding light is our all-new Linear 6. We've got a Linear 6 set in white as well as a Linear 6 set in green, and they are alternating there just above the factory reverse and completely washing out the camera. These lights are extremely bright in person and extremely impressive. Check them out, the all-new Linear 6. Let me back up a little bit. Now here you can see how off angle I am to the truck. I'm not directly behind the truck in any means. I'm off about 30 degrees strong to the left, and you can still see the washout and how bright those lights still are. I'm now a strong 45 degrees off the straight back of the truck. No issue with the brightness of the lights. They are just as bright here as they are directly behind. Here I am approaching 90 degrees from the truck, and you can still see the warning effectively working. His new Linear 6s are amazingly bright. Let me get you a close-up of them. A little bit bright right there, but you can see we've got them on an L bracket. We VHB'd them to the top of this bumper. We didn't want to drill a bunch of holes in the bumper. We drill and tap them out for the pod light that's next to them. I'll show you that feature there in a second. There's also a 20-inch light bar mounted up on the roof for the bed of this truck, and I'll explain that when I back up and show them to you. Here would be the work lights that we've put in, the 20-inch on top and the two pods on the bumper illuminated. This is to give the operators a little bit of daylight when they're loading up the specific bed that this truck carries. This is a universal bed for a local construction company, and you can put all kinds of stuff on the back of this. Flatbed, dumpster, salter, bunch of different apparatuses that roll off of this thing. So a very unique truck that serves a very unique purpose. We went with green on both of these builds. It does have a brother build. There's a Dodge Ram regular truck with a regular truck bed that also has green and white for the same company. That one's lettered. You'll see it in the sister video here. And we went with green to match their branding. These are controlled off of the factory Dodge auxiliary switches, number 1 and 2, wired into the factory harness. Thank you again for watching Wicked Warnings. Remember to check the video description. What we're using in this truck is our LED HAW duo, our LED hideaway duos. We've got a set of white and green in the front lenses mounted from the bottom. We've also got our all-new Linear 6 LED, a set of white and green on the back, and some white task lighting that isn't on the website yet. See the website and the links in the description for a pre-made package, and to order easily the strobe lighting that's on this vehicle, the Linear 6s and the LED hideaway duos. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. Get in contact us. We can do your fleet.